it just happened. It happened when everybody was thinking that was too crazy to happen. People are shocked but not surprised.
I hate you, you fucking orange pumpkin. You're just.
Donald Trump is the 47th president of the United States. At 11 p.m. election day, people kind of had the idea, I had the idea that Trump was going to win just because it was 160 electoral votes to, I think it was 60 votes at one point for Harris. Trump won the electoral votes, 270. He reached that around 4 a.m., 3 a.m. when he was done counting. Won incredible states that were a surprise for the Republicans, like Texas, Florida, right? No, but he won very interesting states like Pennsylvania. But it's very interesting to see because people are wondering, well, now what?
I'm sorry. No.
What do we do? What happens now? To storm to Twitter like they're doing right now, and they're saying like, oh, we're doomed. The parties are doomed. We're doomed ourselves. The country's over. I think right now, what's more important for the U.S., for the people, for Democrats especially, is to take a breath, and accept that Donald Trump has won, accept that Republicans are winning, and stop questioning why it happened and everything. People that are questioning why it happened in the news are saying that mostly Trump won those key states because of the rural people living in those states. So in case of Pennsylvania, you have Philadelphia and Pittsburgh, both cities that are supposedly heavily Democratic, but you also have a lot of people between those big cities that also live in Pennsylvania, and that apparently the non-vocal majority wanted Trump. It's also very interesting to see that not all the Democrats that saying they were going to vote for Kamala actually voted for Kamala. That's also an important thing because it's not showing the results, right? A few of them probably lied and said, no, I'm going Kamala all the way, and they went with Trump. Early projections did put a sort of a contested fight, a more complicated win. People are growing with fear in social media. They're taking it very vocally and saying things that are pretty much on their minds 24/7. Obviously, Trump has said that there was going to be a massive deportation, a massive change day one. He's in office. Remember, he's not in office still, but he will be soon. And there's going to be major changes. When the first day is up there, he's going to bring the hammer down on some people, and hell, and a lot of the legal immigrants, mostly the ones that voted for Trump. So there has to be some correlation between Latinos and what Trump is saying, because a lot of people are saying like, oh, he's racist, he's that. But hell, a lot of people here, me speaking to people, knowing Floridans, like Miami locals, and speaking to them, and Latinos that voted for Trump, well, they're saying that a lot of people are pretty much with the idea that in 2024 they want more safety regarding the open borders. The country is kind of suffering from the mass immigration that's done illegally, not legally. A lot of the people were kind of scared because apparently there were a lot of issues coming up, especially in Florida, especially in states like Texas as well. So I think that's why a lot of the Latinos here voted for Trump, and they were saying like, oh, is Trump going to go for the re-election 2028? Is JD Vance going for president in 2028? All of these questions that people are asking right now, they will be answered throughout this year. They don't have an answer for right now. Even if Trump wanted to get reelected, and that was a possibility, even then, it's not time now to talk about that. You have these 4 years, 2024 to 2028, to see what he's going to do, to see all the policies, to see personally for yourself how you do between these years. Socially and politically, the U.S. is in a very interesting point right now. It's in a very fragile point socially, I guess, for a lot of Democrats. With all of these changes, obviously the big issue as well for Democrats is the Israel-Palestine war. Trump has said that he will finish the job. So those are all concerns for Democrats right now. But at the end of the day, Trump won, and that's about it. crazy election day. See you guys.